The 100% installation of the Sonex triple disc converter is one of the value-added quality improvements we make to our heavy-duty Chrysler 68 RFE. Jasper offers a Chrysler 68 RFE for heavy-duty diesel and towing applications. This package includes the 100% installation of a Sonex triple disc converter. The converter includes an internal spline double-sided disc and an external spline single-sided disc. These fit into spaces machined into the billet front cover. It also includes an updated turbine hub that's riveted onto the stock turbine. The hub splines into an updated piston damper assembly. Together, the converter provides a 50% increase in lockup torque capacity over stock versions while maintaining a smooth lockup apply. The Sonex triple disc converter in Jasper's heavy-duty 68 RFE is another way that we provide you and your customer with the perfect product.